play pibro sipat di pinang subhai pi channel ke channel jungi minta gasngi tila da pide ke padang Thymmai agre channel ngobha kershan nam yangi daga ba share like but subscribe. This is the information of the interest candidate that a walk-in interview for the following post on contractual basis under the district watershed cell data center under the Pradhan Mantri Sin Chayi Yogana Watershed Development component Ribhoi District Nongpo. Walk-in interview will be held on 28th October 2020 at 11 a.m. in the office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer, Soil and Water Conservation Ribhoi Division Nongpo. Number 1. The name of post, technical expert. Number of posts 1. Qualification, bachelor degree in agriculture or watershed resources, social mobilization with relevant experience. Money emulsion 30,000 per month. And number 2, name of post, accountant. Number of post 1, qualification, bachelor degree in commerce, diploma in accounting and finance or with relevant experience. Monthly emulsion 15,000 per month. Name of post number 3, data entry operator. The number of posts are 1. The qualification, bachelor degree in BCA or DCA or computer application or with relevant experience in computer typing, data entry extra. The monthly emulsion are 12,000 per month. Other requirement: application outside the district staying far from the office headquarters must be ready to have in the district headquarters Nongpo, otherwise need not apply. Success candidate, all the posts will have to sign the date of agreement before on contractual basis. How to apply? Applicants are to bring the application in plain paper with supporting document along with original copies for certificate on the day of walk-in interview. No TADA will be paid to the candidate or applicant. Successful candidate will be appointed to the post initially for 1 year subject to the performance. For more detail about this job, please go to my description.